our 19th message in social media is from Saint Mary. All members and believers, please let us give a big love and respect to our God. I would like to suggest every Sunday wear a white dress with bronda. Young girls wear also a decent dress to give your love and respect to our Mama Mary, the Mother God. Let us not be hard-headed. This is our spiritual discipline so that we could have a bank in heaven. For all the children, gather them to a place where they will be taught about spiritual things. My dear brothers and sisters, this is our 19th message. Thank you.